Hey everyone, this video we are going to talk about some of the tips and tricks around IntelliJ IDE while using the Java as a development environment. Okay, so if you want to check more around tips and tricks, this is the dedicated playlist that I have been creating. So some of things you can get in here. This video specifically, I'm going to cover all these things. This is going to be really helpful in our day-to-day life. So if you are an experienced developer and have been working in IntelliJ IDEA, most of the things you already know. But if for someone who is newly or just started using IntelliJ IDEA, this can be really helpful and you will be surprised to see that these things exist. So let's go ahead and see one by one. So first, this is the one project that I already have and I have opened it for the example and to showcase the demo. So first thing we want to see, we want to search for a file. Let's say I do not know the complete name, but some of the things I know. So to search any file, first of all, double shift is the command. Shift plus shift is the command that is there. After that, I want to search a specific file, right? And so start typing the initials. When if you see the first file, that is the product client service, capital letters that are there, you see, if I search for PCS, that means all the initials, product client service, all those files are going to be listed. Next, I want to search for T, that is like product client service test. If I type anything else that does not exist, yeah, it exists actually, PCTS, that successful is coming in. Let me type something more that is not there in the picture, so I won't be able to see that one. So this is the one, very useful. Just type the initials and it is going to search for that. If you want to search for the recent file, some of the things you can see on screen, this one, control plus E, just print the control plus E and you will be able to see all the recent files that you have opened in your project. This is going to be helpful when you are working on a project and want to go for the recent file. Like I want to navigate back to the previous file, I cannot remember each and every file, right? So first thing, like I go click or double shift and search for that one, but that is not possible. So just click control plus C and it is going to give us that one. Related to this shortcut, there is one more interesting that I find useful, control plus shift plus E. If you print this one, it is going to give you the recent locations, controls plus shift plus E, all the recent location that I navigated through, set ID, get ID and all that, it is going to give me. So if I have to jump back to that one, I can directly jump to that. There is a filter also, notice show edited only. So the places where I just edited things, only those things are going to be shown here. This is interesting and very useful. We always want to go to the previous location that I edited or previous location that I viewed. So this can be very useful. Moving to the next one, that is methods in a class. If I'm in this class product client service, I just want to see the methods that are available out here. Get product by ID. So by navigating it, I can see that, but one view, tree like view, I can see that or not. If you want to see that, just press control plus F12. Might be in your keyboard, F12 is not directly accessible, so Fn function key is there, so press control plus Fn plus F12. The thing is, like F12 should be pressed, control plus Fn plus F12. You will get the one place view of the constructor and methods and all that things, and variables also, product web client, I can navigate it directly. So this becomes very useful if I want to see what all available methods are there in my file that I am listening, that I am going through. Coming in here, F12, I can see that one, right? This is the one way, and there is one more shortcut of this one that can be used. If you press Alt plus 7, the same thing gets opened, that structure gets opened in the sidebar, left one, right? In here you can click here that which things you want, functions you want only, you want like parameters and all that, interfaces only that you need, everything it is going to give us. This is yet another way that is very helpful. Coming to the next one, that is uppercase and lowercase switching of text. This becomes very useful when you are working like just you want to change the casing. Like if it is a shortcut, I want to change this to uppercase. Print this one, Control plus Shift plus U in Windows, Control plus Shift plus U, and it will change the switching. So it is available for uppercase and lowercase only. Sometimes it becomes very useful. So this is also good to know. Comment and uncomment, this is yet another feature. So if I want to comment any line, just press Control plus question mark. It is going to be printed in the, like it is going to be, that line is going to be commented out. If you want to uncomment that, just go to the commented line, press Control plus question mark again. So this is this one liner comment. If I want to comment multiple line, just press Control plus Shift plus question mark. So just add shift in there and it is going to do the job. If I want to uncomment things, that multi-line comment, just select that piece of code and press Control plus Shift question mark again, and it is going to do the job. Coming to the next one, like if I have to, my class is overriding any existing class, I want to, not overriding actually, my class is extending any existing class and I want to override any method for that one. So how can I do that? Press Control plus O. First of all, it is going to give you all the methods that are in the parent class, like object, because every class gets extended from the object class, and this product client service is not extending anything specific, right? That is why it is showing me that object class only. For example, if I extend it with product class, not extends, this one. Now if I press Control plus O, with the class, how many class hierarchy it has, I can be able to know, and whatever method I want to override it, I can just double click on that one and it can give the default implementation. Now if I want to change the logic, just go ahead and change the logic. This is super interesting. So because I do not want to do this one, I'll just comment this out. Moving to the next one, find uses. This is very important. So if I'm on this method, I want to see how many places it has been used. So I don't know the shortcut, just right click on this one and come to this one. Find uses, Alt plus F7 is the shortcut of this one. It will give you all the uses that wherever it is there, Control plus F7 and all that, and navigate it and change it as needed. Next one is the search preview. If I want to search something, like in overall project, in complete project, I want to search it, just select that piece of text that you want to search for and press Control plus Shift plus F. It will directly take that text whatever you have selected and will search it throughout there. If you do not want to type your own, just go ahead and type this one, test. Right, and anything if I want to edit it, I can edit it in this navigation that is coming in here and it will be applied automatically. This is at one place. If I want to like search it and edit it also, this preview is going to be very helpful. History of copies, this becomes my top favorite one. If I have I wanted to paste this piece of code somewhere else, what I'll do, Control C. Okay, but by mistake, and I removed this code and forgot about it, this one. Okay, by mistake I selected the second one, this one, and I wanted to paste this one, right? Remember, again I went ahead and did multiple copies around this one. So when I paste it directly, let me show you. When I paste it directly by putting Control plus B, which one? Last one that I have put in, that will be there. But I wanted the first one that is there. So how do I do that? Just press Control plus Shift plus V. It will show you the clipboard. All the recent copies that you have made, history of copies, it is going to be there. And whatever you want to paste, just double click on that one and it will be there. So this is super useful. So that is all that I wanted to cover. There are a lot more, but that comes handy when you are using IntelliJ IDEA. Okay. I want to leave this one. I want to give you super handy shortcut. If you do not want to remember anything and you just want to get hold of this one, just come to the help section in here and navigate to in here, keyboard shortcuts PDF. It will give you the like all the shortcuts that are available there. You just search for the use case. Like if I want to search for search, all the search related use cases will be in here, double shift, find, next, whatever is there. So it's just a matter of time, like spend some time with your ID, you will get handy tools that are available out there. Okay, so the tips that I provided you explain is applicable for Windows, and it is very easy to use for Mac also. Just a couple of keywords like control changes to command, alt changes to something else, and all that. Okay, so but this last option that I told you, go to this one and download this shortcut from here. So you just know the use case what you want to search it. Like paste from clipboard is this one that I explained, right? Paste from clipboard, sort inline, recent buffers, control plus shift insert, and all that, everything you can get it. So you have now hold of all the magic book that is IntelliJ IDEA. I hope you found this tips and tricks useful. If so, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.